Welcome back, guys. David Harris here with Callum out here. Gonna soap up the front of this thing. Not too dirty. The gutter's pretty dirty. We got some plants right here. Probably. Yeah, that's good. There's some green on the vinyl there. Nothing too crazy on this house. I'm gonna work on this side right now, soap this all up, and we got the whole front and the side all soaped up all at once. Cause it's a one-level ranch, so we can do stuff like that. We're on like a two-story colonial. You can do it. You just have to watch out, or you want to have two machines running basically. But yeah, we want to do this so we can have enough, so we can actually wait on that dwell time. And you know, we don't have like a big hill or anything, so we're all set. Just run around, do what we gotta do. We can even do the back too if we really wanted to, but yeah. We're dumping out the line right here, and we're gonna rinse off all these plants, rinse some of the grass down here, hit these windows back off so they're not getting any streaking on the windows, any haze of salt drying on there. Yeah, Callum got these plants, really rinse them down. Rinse down the driveway, everything. Rinse it all. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're out back here. Callum about to be spraying on that mix. And kind of the only thing we're really worried about out back here, a couple outlets, and we got solar panels, of course. Then we're gonna clean up this garage. And yeah, pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. I think we're just gonna soap up this out back here, switch it back over, rinse the front, rinse the side, come back here, rinse this, and then we're gonna have this one side left in the garage, so we'll do this one side plus the garage, come back, rinse our plants one more time, and we'll be all set. We're just dumping out the line on some of the troubled areas here, and then we'll rinse down this whole side here and rinse off the front. Actually, I think this gutter is coming out pretty good because we're able to get pretty close to it and rip that mold right off. Not really using pressure because we're using an M5 twist that you would downstream with. But you could use some pressure on gutters. Gutters can take it. Gutters can take the Alright. Now we're just rinsing down from top to the bottom. Nice and easy. Always get behind those shutters there, of course. You see all the stuff just dripping from the shutter. Stuff collects behind shutters with the bugs and all that, especially. So always make sure you really soak them. Make sure afterwards too, like after you're done rinsing it, then you gotta go back and see if it was dripping anything else out of it. Should have already gotten everything out, but sometimes that's just what happens. All right. The style wasn't too bad. Just rinse this thing down. We'll get right out back there. Looking good. Kind of funny. So like I said, guys, we're gonna be after Callum's done rinsing this right here, we'll soak down all the plants. He's already in rinse mode. Soak down all these plants. This is sunny side, so we'll hit all this out with water too. Apply our mix to the garage, rinse it down. Be all set. Alright, so like you say, he's just rinsing out all the plants, rinsing out all the siding, then we're gonna apply the chemical to everything, rinse it on down, and get on out of here. Holy shoot. Oh, big old spider up there. Cal will show you how to get rid of spiders. Yep, just gotta use the old pressure washer. You know? That looks good. All set. Garage all set. We did the front of that shed for him. So, see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, we're on this next project here. Cal's over here starting on this wall. I'm gonna start on that wall there. I'm gonna be using my soft wash factory booster pump. I'm gonna do the front of the house. I need to test something out. I got a little suction leak, I think, so and the pressure keeps going on and off. Maybe it needs to be adjusted, or there's a leak in the suction line. So I got 2 SH tanks. I'm gonna try out the other tank and see if that's the one that's doing it. And let's go. Let's see if it does it. Yeah, so we're gonna just spray down all these plants right here, hit up all these windows because we're gonna be spraying our mix on the siding. You really want to get all over the plants, guys, on top of them, through the plants, everything. Just soak the living crap out of them. And I'll probably clean this little step up right there later on. So I'm gonna want to check this out. Guys. We'll test out that line, see what's going on. No pulsating, so that's good. We're gonna be able to use this tank here, which is great. Clean the whole side here and the whole front of the house with the soft wash factory booster pump. Alright, that's working out pretty good. I'm gonna redo my line, I guess. Yeah, you can do these houses here. Not gonna take you that long, honestly. You're just applying some chemical. Yeah, I think it's that tank. But able to hit that right up there, no problem. Now, and gonna touch up right here, get our mix right on here, right? And we want to get behind here. So this wand is good for, guys, really getting into places where you don't have to actually spray off everything. You can get right over there, right? Like I'm standing over there. But yeah, I mean, this thing is just cranking out, guys. You can do houses with this thing. No big deal. And again, I don't have to be over there. I just, boom, get those troubled areas there. And then I got my fresh water right next to me. I don't need a ball valve. An electric ball valve or any of that crap. It's not really crap, but you know what I mean. So I drop my thing down, make sure that my valve's open. Now let's crank it up. So I wanted to be spraying over the plants too, just like I was. Not like, oh, down here, over the plants. I want to be spraying where I was spraying, right? We're gonna be spraying like right back here, not over here. You want to spray over here, but you don't just go, oh. Probably wait a little bit longer on that. And we'll just keep this all nice and wet. I'll let that dwell. Then check out what Callum's doing. I'm pretty pumped up about this. This is good. I mean, no pulsating. That's great. Alright guys, I just had to roll up all the hoses. And not all the hoses, obviously you guys can hear the pressure washer's still on. Got some extra hose with us. We always bring at least 200 feet more garden hose. I don't have it on a reel at the moment, but came out of that door over there. And now we're dual feeding from the same house, which helps a little bit, I guess. And we're not going through any Hudson float valve or any float valves. We just check to see if we got any water. A little bit. Like 40 gallons of water in there, man. Damn. It's ridiculous. It's kind of like just keeping up with Callum. Callum's right over here. We'll meet up with him. But we still gotta rinse all this. I just took the boost pump and was able to just tap all the windows real quick. So after you soap up the whole entire house and don't check the water pressure. So we're just running on that. Yeah, this thing's pretty dirty, so she's using a lot of water. But we're gonna get it done. Like I said, we get that dual feed going, so should be good. He hopes. This thing's coming out good. A little awning there came out good. Steps looking nice. Probably fix up those front ones there and get some more water going. Oh yeah, there's no gas in that, I forgot. Well, now we ran out of gas. Of course. Look at that house over there. Alright, we're back up and running. We got gas in our 8-gallon machine and the pressure washer. And we got a little bit more water. So that's gonna help us out a little bit here. Callum's in the jungle over here, rinsing it down. Yeah, that was coming out good. Alright. Alright guys, and like you guys know, the front already had chemical all over it, and the windows were able to get water on them, which was good before we ran out of water. So just rinsing it down, and then I had to touch up the gutter just slightly. We had to switch it over. But yeah, pretty easy project, pretty standard things going on. I'm happy I was able to figure out a little bit more on my pump situation and all the leaking issues. And that will happen over time, guys, but you know, maintenance. And guys, yeah, I'm gonna clean up these stairs right here with that X-Jet. And with the X-Jet here, it's basically just giving me like a 40 spray on my pressure washer here, and it just as an adjustable high pressure nozzle, right? And with brick, this one here was very, very solid. Probably one of the best brick steps I've seen in a while, honestly. Usually there's no joints in them, they're falling apart, and it's just a mess. All the concrete's gone. These ones look great, so I'm able to actually take an X-Jet and do it. Otherwise, I would actually just take the M5 Twist and do it, so it's a low pressure, and apply like a 6% mix, like pre and post. Like, you want to do both. But then, you know, rinse obviously in between, let it dwell for 10 minutes minimum, and then rinse it all off. May actually have to take a scrub brush to it. Brick can be a little tricky sometimes, but that all just depends on the condition of your surface though too, right? And that can even be with any paver or any surface if it's damaged, really. Not fun to clean, basically. But guys, that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Visit us at softwashfactory.com. There'll be a link in the description below. You can get all the parts and equipment that I'm using on my truck. So, check it out today. Free shipping on anything over $50 or more. Peace out, guys.